In a world filled with loud competitors and endless electric crossovers, one SUV dares to stand out. Not by shouting, but by whispering sophistication. Meet the 2026 Jaguar F-PACE, a car that redefines what it means to drive, with emotion, power, and unmistakable British style. From the very first glance, the 2026 F-PACE demands attention. Its refreshed design is pure Jaguar, sleek, sculpted, and athletic. Up front, a larger diamond pattern grille sits proudly beneath the leaping cat badge, flanked by ultra-slim pixel LED headlights that give it an unmistakable glare. Every line on this SUV flows with intention. Not overdone, not loud, just pure confidence. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a cabin that feels like a modern art gallery. Jaguar has truly outdone itself in 2026. The new interior features hand-stitched Windsor leather, open-pore wood finishes, and a floating 13.1-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen that responds like a smartphone. The ambient lighting changes tone based on your driving mood, and the seats now feature active air massage tech that adjusts pressure automatically for comfort on long drives. Under the hood, Jaguar offers something for everyone. From refined plug-in hybrid options to the beastly SVR edition that roars with a 542 horsepower V8. The plug-in hybrid, on the other hand, now offers over 50 miles of electric range. The 2026 F-PACE isn't just about power, it's about balance. With Jaguar's intelligent all-wheel drive, torque vectoring, and enhanced traction control, it feels planted, whether you're carving through corners or gliding down a rainy boulevard. Technology? Oh, Jaguar's stepped it up big time. The 2026 F-PACE introduces the Jaguar SmartSense system, integrating AI to learn your habits, from climate preferences to navigation routes. It even prepares your seat and temperature before you enter the car. And the 3D surround camera, connected navigation, and wireless Apple CarPlay make it as futuristic. This isn't just driving, it's an experience tailored to you. But what really makes the 2026 Jaguar F-PACE unforgettable isn't just the looks, power, or tech. It's the emotion it stirs every time you start it up. There's something timeless about the way Jaguar blends elegance with excitement. A reminder that driving isn't just about getting from A to B. It's about how you get there. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Jaguar F-PACE the most stylish luxury SUV of the year? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you loved this deep dive, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss the next ride.